Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to talk about the PUBG 90 FPS support in the MI11X device after MIUI 12.5 update. So recently friends, just today I did receive the update of the MIUI 12.5 and immediately a lot of users, I did get a lot of requests as well regarding the PUBG 90 FPS as well, and there are a couple of other requests which a lot of users they did ask about the Antutu benchmark test results and the green tint issue as well which is going on in this mobile phone. I'll try to check again green tint issue using different results which the users suggested for me. So let's see friends, in this kind of review I'll try to show you whether the PUBG you can actually get the 90 FPS update or not with this kind of MIUI 12.5. So first let me go to the settings and turn on the 120Hz refresh rates. As you can see friends, I did receive the update of 12.5.2. You can clearly see the update. So let me need to go to the display options and select the 120Hz before starting the test. As you can see, so 120Hz is completely selected and I'm not using any kind of GFX tool application during this time of testing. So let's see friends, first without using any kind of GFX tool, let's figure out whether the MIUI 12.5 update will help the PUBG to play 90 FPS or not. So in case if it doesn't work on the 90 FPS, so immediately what I'll try to do is that I'll try to use any kind of GFX application. So I'll make sure that the 90 FPS should be supported in this phone. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my channel in case if you have any other queries as well. As you can see friends, the game has been opened successfully, and let me try to quickly show you the settings option. So let me try to see. As you can see friends, right now I'm playing with the smooth and extreme settings. Unfortunately the 90 FPS update not yet arrived in this phone. I did update my PUBG game as well, led to the latest version. Even the MIUI version is also to the latest in this phone, but still the PUBG game is not updated to the 90 FPS. So hopefully maybe in the next couple of weeks we should be getting this kind of update in this phone as soon as possible. But meanwhile I'll try to use a different kind of GFX tool, as I said. In case if you're having any kind of GFX tool in your mind, so make sure to comment below. So definitely I'll try those GFX tool application in this phone and I'll see whether it's working or not. So if it is working, definitely friend, that will be a big useful case for a lot of users as well, so they can play 90 FPS in this phone. So meanwhile there are a couple of other issues which are going on with this phone. One is the screen issue, another is a proximity issue, so another one is a lag issue as well, touch lag using the 4-finger gestures in this phone. That is what a lot of users they did suggest me to use 4-finger gesture. I'll try to do in-depth review on that 4-finger gesture, what is happening in this phone as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those video friends in case if you're interested to know if there's any problem or not in terms of the 4-finger gesture. I'll try to definitely post those videos very soon. As you can see, it's just I can feel right now some kind of lag, but definitely I'll try to cover another separate video. But basically friends, right now the PUBG 90 FPS update not yet arrived in this phone. Unfortunately that's a big drawback even for me as well. I did expect to be arriving with the MIUI 12.5 update, but that's not the case. So right now I was just able to get only 60 FPS at the moment. As you can see friends, 61 FPS only, so not more than that as well. So in case if you want to know about the battery details about this phone, how the phone is performing in terms of the battery backup, so make sure to check the videos which I uploaded recently on this PUBG battery draining. So where the mobile lasts I think close to maybe 7 hours of time as well, 6 to 7 hours. So make sure to check that video in case if you're interested to know more details. You'll find really amazing videos as well in this playlist which I have created. And in case if you want to buy any other phone case as well, so make sure to check the links in the pinned comments which I pinned comments. You can find the cases for each and every smartphone, like cases for particularly MI11X, where a lot of users ask me to do suggest. So right now with this MIUI 12.5, I cannot see any kind of difference in terms of the PUBG gameplay overall, but definitely I'll try to test the touch input lag as well while playing the game. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel friends, and that's it for this video. As I said, in case if you're having any other GFX tool application in your mind, so make sure to comment below the GFX tool which you want me to use. So definitely I'll do my best to use those kind of GFX tool applications in my device as soon as possible. to test the 90 FPS support. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video for more updates. And until then, stay tuned, stay safe, bye.